This year, Delhi's air quality index has crossed over 600 in several neighborhoods, placing it in the severe plus category. For those who live and work outdoors, such as auto drivers, laborers, street vendors, this isn't a seasonal discomfort. It's a daily health threat, increasing the risk of asthma, lung infection, heart diseases, and reduced life expectancy.
मेरा नाम नीतू है, 3 बच्चे हैं हमारे। हम नातीपुर में रहते हैं, गुड़गांव में, और हम लोग जाते हैं काम पे तो हम लोगों को दिक्कत होती है आने जाने में। ये धुएं की वजह से हम डाटा वूटा मार के जाते हैं। अब घर में तो हम बैठ नहीं सकते, काम पे तो हमें जाना होता है। सुबह शाम हम जाते हैं तो हमको दिक्कत आती है धुएं की वजह से। डॉक्टर लोग हैं, ये हमारे सीने में दर्द है, खांसी है, कुछ भी है, हम लोग डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं तो मतलब कोई दवाई हमको असर नहीं कर रही है।
So with increasing pollution in our cities, the first thing that people complain of irritation in the eyes, in the nose, in the throat, and then they start having more and more upper respiratory infections. So people who cannot sit at home and they have to go out for their living, obviously their immune system is anyway compromised because of the nutritional status, and they get more prone to getting infections in this high pollution situation.
अपने पति के साथ रहती हूँ, मेरे 2 बच्चे हैं। मेरे बच्चे स्कूल नहीं जा पा रहे हैं क्यों उनको सीने में खांसी जुकाम रहता है।
So children who are little prone to allergies, children who have family history of allergies, their allergies go haywire in this pollution situation, and the pollutants would add on to the allergen. As a matter of fact, they start the allergic reaction to a manifold kind of a situation, though these children suffer quite drastically from acute attacks of asthma and during this pollution situation.
In many settlements, chula smoke and small winter fires aren't a choice but a necessity. Yet these survival tools add another layer to the toxic air Delhi is already choking on.
पोल्यूशन तो काफ़ी हो रहा है, ठीक है, धुआं भी काफ़ी है, तो इस चीज़ के लिए हम भी वो कर रहे हैं, प्रॉफिट है, लेकिन क्या करें, इस समय सरकार भी कुछ वो नहीं कर रही है। अवेलेबल हम क्या लगाएं, हमें तो चूल्हा जलाना पड़ेगा, गैस महंगी हो रही है, हर चीज़ की महंगाई हो रही है। हमें तो बस प्रॉब्लम अपना ये है कि सरकार कुछ करे, आगे बढ़ाए कुछ चीज़ के लिए, तो हम कुछ कर सकते हैं।
Because the particulate matter in the air, they certainly affect your immune system. They go into the lungs, and then they get the fine particles and the ultra fine particles, they get absorbed into the system, causing an ongoing inflammatory reaction in a lot of parts of the body, including lungs, heart, brain, kidney, and all those things. And obviously they can't afford purifiers, so they will have to go low on the strenuous activities. They have to increase their water intake, they have to go more on vegetables and fruits if they can possibly afford that.
Doctors warn that the level of pollution doesn't just trigger new symptoms, it also aggravates pre-existing diseases like asthma, heart conditions, and the quality of life.
Certainly, it is known to increase the mortality rate and also the morbidity rate. So quality of life is affected, and also the mortality and morbidity increases with increased pollution.
Several doctors have also stated that the deaths caused by the pollution are way higher than that caused by the COVID pandemic. And Delhi has seen a significant increase in the toxic air over the years. Unfortunately, it is affecting the underprivileged and the poor in many ways or more.